Ka Khasi Student Union Laban Circle, Kaladawa yu Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills, Banshim Sinjam Persha ikinong penyat, ya kejinyat procession Maharam, da kabakeno ba kejinyat kalapalat ya kapor, balasha bad kalawanra ya kejing hakalet kawan bad kejing shngan jong kipat ba. Katkum ke KSU ka procession, kabla long halaban kade bankut, hapo kapor kandai shteng minmien, hindray kalapateng hadu kapor khatway baji, kabla long Persha ika hukum, jong ka district administration. Kaseng kala ongru ba ka jingtem bat ka jingroi pat ba kala penthot iki samla pule kibrang pen kre iki examen kat ba ki jingya hasurok bat ki jingpen I wat bat ding kila bo jingma ki nong leit nongwan bat kila pen sakun ya ka jingya ki kali da ka ba pen pau ba ka burom ya barok kiniam ka KSU kala ongpan ba ka nu ka kam ka ba penthot ya ka jingsok bat ka jing shngai pat ba amla ban priang bat kala kintu ye ki bor district banshim ki sinjam ki bating e knang bakum kini ki jingja kin amja shu ha ki bor ban.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.